Hello Gemini, welcome to your audio taroscope for May 2015, brought to you by East Yorkshire Tarot, and I'm Kathleen Robinson, your tarot card reader. Well, you've been drawn the Ace of Swords upright, and all that is about is raw power and energy. It represents a point in which you have a new way of thinking and the energy to go with it, so that's wonderful. As far as work, it may mean that you may be trying a different tactic at work, or you may even be choosing to leave the job that you're currently in. However, if you're committed to staying where you are, you may have some good ideas for new policies or procedures that could make everybody's life easier at work. As far as love goes, it may mean that you're ready to start something new, and if you're currently in a committed relationship, it can indicate that there's something about this relationship that you'll choose to put a stop to. Don't hesitate to speak your mind. And if something in the relationship is hurtful or bad for you, and you lose your partner because you say something, then you haven't really lost, have you? You're being guided towards a relationship that's better for you, so please do tell the truth. As far as money goes, now's not the time to take chances with money, and don't invest money that you can't afford to lose. And as much as it pains you, it may be in your best interest not to lend when you've been asked. The reason that is the way it is that you may not be repaid, and your relationship with your prospective borrower could suffer or be destroyed as a result, so you may not want that. In terms of health, you may finally find it within yourself to stop some of those bad habits if you've got any. It can also indicate the converse, that you may be starting something that's good for you as well. Expect some frayed nerves as you're making this transition, and take good care of yourself. But don't overdo things. So have a good month, and hope you'll return soon for next month's reading. In the meantime, Gemini, if you'd like to have an email tarot card reading, look at the selection we have for you at East Yorkshire Tarot online.co.uk. Thank you, and I'm Kathleen Robinson.